Attach the antenna to the control box, then connect the control box to the screen and plug in the battery. The plugs for the power cord and the battery are specific to each other. Please pay attention when connecting them. We will provide a QR code for the lighting control app. Please scan it to download the app. First, watch the actual lighting effect. The next section will show the detailed app operation. Next, we will demonstrate how to install and remove the battery box. Due to shipping restrictions, the battery is not included inside the battery box and needs to be purchased separately. Pull out the circuit board. Disconnect the cable. When reinstalling, align it with the slot and insert it back in place. Remember to reconnect the cable that was disconnected.